Hey guys, Matt here. Welcome to another portfolio update. I gotta say, it is once again time to suffer. We are down. We are down pretty far. Right now, the portfolio is sitting at under 95 grand. That is a huge drop from a few weeks ago. I am not immune, definitely not immune to everything that's going on in the market right now. I mean, if we take a look at the NASDAQ, by the month, we are down 4.6%, or the NASDAQ down 4.6%. The Dow by the month, 2.7%. Yeah, the market is, this is not a shock to any of you, but the market is not doing so hot right now. The first half of this year was going so well back when we thought that the Fed was eventually going to stop raising interest rates and, maybe signal that all this crap is over. But as the months wore on, we started to realize that that is not the case. And I think it was last week they signaled that, yeah, they're going to hike rates again. They're going to keep rates up for longer. And given the rate hikes that happened recently, at this point, I can't say for certain whether the rate hikes are going to stop. They could keep going into 2024 the way everything is happening. And it's pretty plain to see that until the Fed actually gets, until the Fed actually starts to taper off interest rates, which is not going to happen until the interest rates come anywhere close to normal. Until all that happens, whenever that is, this downturn here, this is just going to keep on happening. And I think investors are finally starting to wisen up to it, which means, yeah, we're in this for the long haul. So yeah, no one is having a good time right now. Unless you are really good at short-term trading, it's, catching all the rises and the falls and the calls and the puts. Unless you're really, really lucky or really, really good at prediction, you're not having a good time right now. Stock YouTubers are definitely not having a good time right now, and they haven't been for at least 2.5 years. And yeah, they're not going to until the market comes back, whenever that is. Now, the good thing about me is I am not a famous stock YouTuber, which means that I can give you some real talk. The only thing that you can do right now, assuming you're a long-term investor, the only thing you can do right now is keep putting money into stocks that you think are going to do well whenever the market finally comes back. Just keep putting money into those stocks or ETFs or whatever. Do nothing and suffer. That is the only thing you can do right now. Now, as far as my next moves, I'm going to keep putting money into Target because, yeah, that's dropping. That price is looking better and better. I'm also, depending on what happens with Tapestry, if I know this is coming down a lot, but if this goes below my cost basis, I can see myself adding to that. VOO and SCHD, I do plan on adding more into that. And speaking on that, I've mentioned for the past few months that I plan on taking profits on Meta in October. And of course, it all depends on where the price is. But if Meta is still looking pretty good at the end of October when all my shares go long, I plan on taking profits out of that and putting the money either into VOO or SCHD, depending on where these prices are when I sell Meta. But I do want to keep adding to my ETFs. That is very important to me. But anyways, take care, have a great day, and eat your vegetables.